Get out of the way.
What is this?
That's the bottom. Isn't this the bottom, guys, right?
Yeah, this is the bottom, this is the bottom.
I'm confused.
Here's one of the sides, Damon, you'll need that too.
Yeah, okay.
And here's another bottom.
Why are you giving this to us?
Because we're gluing. We need to glue our product.
Oh, we're not here. Oh,
No.
No, it's an assembly line. That's literally what the project is.
And give me the
Where's the
top.
back?
Where's the last top?
Oh, I forgot a paper.
The last top is over here.
Okay, pass it.
I really had the idea messed up.
Wait, I'm showing the entire project.
You have to get the back.
Is this one?
That should be the, I don't know if it's the back.
The back is this. The back is this one.
What the heck?
What?
Yeah.
Back.
Yeah.
This one's also a bottom.
Those are the bottoms.
Can I start putting glue on it?
You have to
Yeah,
wait for
there.
Damon.
I have to wait for him?
Then I start again. This
This is not very well.
These are the bottoms, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
and that one,
I thought
that
we
one
were
has
all
to
like
come.
here. Boxes. There it is.
Show team.
Yeah,
Oh,
we
how much
should have brought
time's passed?
pom-poms for you.
You just lined up the side.
Oh, this one?
Alicia.
Leave me alone. Okay.
Yeah, I know.
That.
I'm so sorry. This is taking a lot longer than
Why is this
Add a little-
happening?
add a little-
Why was it so
Maybe add a
easy
little bit more.
yesterday?
I mean, this is, we're only making 3, right?
Where's the glue so wet? It dried so fast yesterday. Why did you laugh like that?
Gonna be modifying this flowchart again.
Right. I was gonna say, I saw Aiden get the sticky notes, little stickies ready, so maybe you'll wanna put that you did that on the
I thought we
flowchart.
couldn't change it. Like after this.
We talked about it this morning and it's fine if you change it again. Granted, you aren't gonna be able to like come back and do this, but I would update it. And just say in your presentation that you added that.
Get ready, America. These are the engineers we're sending you.
Confused and afraid.
This is why we stick with China.
Ah, you have no patriotism.
I guess not.
Damon, is there a new like role you could do, I guess, and then just update? No, okay, I didn't know.
There's
if you-
like nothing I can do, I don't think. I can do Alicia's role. Alicia, can I just do this for you?
Okay. How do you put the other side piece on?
He does it.
Okay.
Alicia, that's literally exactly what we did yesterday.
Oh,
I believe in you.
thanks. Doesn't help much, but thanks.
It's so disgusting to watch banana.
I hate this. This is so much fun.
Isn't that your part?
Yeah, my part just fell off because I guess I didn't put enough on. It's fine.
What's wrong with
Oh, this is so much fun.
This would take us like 24 minutes.
There's a box.
Well, we have one box, is what happened.
Okay.
What the fuck?
Ah!
Are we just not letting it have enough time to like sing?
Yeah, we
Yeah, okay. Before we give it to Aiden, do you want to just let it rest for a little bit?
That's what I did.
Also, like, I broke this one.
Yeah, but you literally-
I said leave it. I said let it dry.
That's fine. Honestly.
Nice and shut.
It's all messed up.
Yeah, just
Why
fix
would you
it.
guys literally do-
Just fix it while I'm doing this.
Alright, cool.
I just hate it. This dried a lot easier than yesterday.
It really did.
Yeah. Did you guys try to sabotage us?
They like watered the glue down.
That'd be hilarious. They just replace it with something that's literally not even
Yeah, my
glue.
fingers are so clean.
Oh, like on the sides, I guess.
Why does this always happen to us? Like with that one, stupid.
Oh yeah, the thing where it's like, this is such a good idea.
You know, it doesn't glue instantly, so you kind of need to build a time of like holding it there for like 30 seconds or so.
Do you guys want to put something on top of it so you're not actually gonna hold it?
It'll crumble.
It's fine. Okay.
Okay, I'll fix that. You can do the other one.
Where's the, oh, I have to do this. Just, yeah, just hold.
I was just out since I didn't do this.
Actually, what's 1500 divided by 60?
Who just knows that off the top of their
I
head?
don't know. It's like
Oh, hey, do you have like a box done? No, you don't. Okay, no.
What's 60 times 3?
times 3 is 18.
100?
Hey,
18-0.
start putting glue on the top.
Got that.
Oh,
On,
that-
I
you
got
open
that
the
on.
pieces
I'm
up.
recording that.
Okay, Max.
You guys were literally the reason that I was taking so long.
Wait.
You're literally 5 years old.
Oh my god!
Matt, you look younger than her. Then what are you?
I really thought I was like 5 feet taller than you, Matt.
What? You're really not.
I had this image.
At least you put it on. Let's gonna try.
Oh, it's snowing.
It's been snowing the entire day.
I know, but this is like actual snow.
Also, I didn't like wear a coat when going in today, but it was like not cold. I was really confused.
My knees were shaking.
Look how productive we are.
Do you want this? Just like make sure. It's
I just want to point out that this is on video.
This is like
I literally don't
video.
care. Like, who is literally gonna watch me do this? They're gonna give up after the first minute when all the boxes fall apart.
Creighton University, you know.
We just sent it to your parents. That's it.
You guys had numbers.
1, 2,
Oh my god,
Okay.
stop putting
So
numbers.
when you're recording, oh, perfect, you already.
Oh, can I have it?
I want to wait a second so it doesn't. I think you should just put the top on now.
Yeah. No glue on the side.
It's not ready.
It's ready.
It's moving. It's gonna crumble.
We've almost doubled the time you estimated.
How much time did we estimate? Like in minutes?
Like,
1,500 and you're at about 24:30. It's okay. Actually, you're at about 48, so I can't do.
I don't think we're that far.
Oh, you're not, you're right, you're under.
Yeah, we're like-
You're under,
We're under?
yeah,
Yeah, I was like, I didn't think.
no, you're right.
See, that cost of goods, we had them estimate to seconds. Wasn't it?
Yeah.
We shouldn't have done that. We should have done minutes.
Yeah, that was really
Should
confusing.
change that. That's, yeah.
Also, what happened?
Just change it.
Oh, I understand.
I mean, it's still, it's per hour for conversions.
I think we did it in, seconds, so it's not like 9 minutes, 20 seconds, cause then they would have to do like a fraction of a minute.
I am
And
ready
they
for
would,
the next
they would
box.
probably do 9.27 minutes instead of 9
right,
minutes,
numbers
27
are
seconds, over 60.
Oh, well, that'd be a good thing for them to learn.
This is a,
I say
honestly,
change to
I
minutes.
think instead of you guys just like filming it, you guys should do a time lapse. Because I feel like that would be so much fun.
Yeah.
That's a good suggestion.
But then you won't see everything.
Yeah, but can I just go ahead and put this in iMovie and speed it up?
Yeah.
There's glue on your triangle. No.
This is before.
I already have it before.
Tell me if you need me to do
That.
something.
That was a lot of glue on that one. Like,
Yeah, I think we're done.
done.